Been watching some of the regional Super 50 cricket, mostly the Jamaica Scorpions, about 3 or 4 games. And for the most part, it's been a total multi-team slow bowling operation. I remember Nicholson Gordon and Odin Smith from Jamaica, another young pace from the Leeward Islands. Other than that, it's pure spinners, or should I say, pure slow bowlers, dominating the region's mediocre batting. All the teams I saw, the Scorpions, Leeward Island Hurricanes, Barbados Pride, and the West Indies Academy, they had at least 3 spinners each, and all of them taking wickets. There was a list of 10 top bowlers in the Super 50 this season so far, and 9 of the 10 were slow bowlers. Yes. And when you put these same bowlers in the West Indies team, they might get 1, maximum 2 appeals per series. Now, when you add this proliferation of slow bowlers to the kind of pitches being prepared across the region and the general attitude to pace bowling, just reflecting on the legacy of West Indies cricket, which was created by and large by fiery pace bowling, it is sad, indeed, it is tragic to see what bowling has come to in the West Indies. Sad indeed.